What's up, guys? This is my United Kl40 bike check expert frame. First, we'll start with the frame. 21 inch top tube, 13.5 chainstay, 11.5 BB height. For rim build, we got red Primo spokes front and back, laced to roll cage G Sport rims. The backs, a chrome G Sport with a Madeira V2 hub. The front, a Madeira Pilot laced to a G Sport with the white writing. Just see that. Alright, we got G Sport gland, hub guards, Shadow Little One pegs, Charlie Crummer's bars, 30-inch width, 10-inch rise, Odyssey Sexton stem, 48 millimeter reach. We got Colt waffle grips. I really recommend them. Last a hell of a long time. As you can see, ODI bars. I recommend those too. They never fall out. We got chrome, the old chrome S&M XLT forks, very light. We got the Bone Death pivotal seat, hide it forever. 15 tires, 2.40 front and rear. Tires never stick, as they say, helps out with grinding and sliding and stuff. 100%. Marriage sticker. Should have left it longer, but I cut it down a bit to 1T because it's covering the bottom gusset. Odyssey Bluebird chain. Yeah, Odyssey Bluebird chain. I really recommend it. It takes a beating and it hasn't snapped over yet. We got an Odyssey $1 million sprocket, 19mm, 28T with a 9 in the back. 170 fit mini cranks and Odyssey pedals. I really don't like them, but I recommend them. They're very, very durable. They don't spin a lot. And yeah. Please like and subscribe. Stay tuned for more videos. I will be having another bike check including this bike. It should have, for the rear Madeira, I'm doing a titanium axle, male, 10T driver, and then we'll be doing a 28T fit key guard with 165mm Shadow Killer cranks and the Bone Death pivotal post. Right now I have an Odyssey headset, some FSA spacers. It's kind of thick. And then we'll do a Shadow headset. And we'll be doing Stevie Churchill Force with the Fireball tire. And then we'll do the profile, hub guards, and then E-Cloud Venom pegs around, and with the E-Cloud Plaza pedals. And that'll be my second bike check. Thanks for watching.